Alright guys, so we just ordered the tenders. I guess you have to sign a waiver for the Carolina Reaper one. So I don't know why, but we bought cheese fries just to have a little snack. But wish us luck, guys.
He's a kid,
dude. But yeah, guys, wish us luck.
The bottom for whoever's actually eating it.
Oh, I gotta sign it.
Oh, you're the one eating it?
Okay. Cool.
Awesome, thank you. Thank you. And that's just a copy of what you just signed. Did you want your receipt as well?
No, that's fine.
We'll have that out shortly, all right?
Right.
Thank you.
Look at that, guys. We had to sign this waiver because we can't sue. Look at it right there. Shee, we're gonna have our mouths burning right now, dude. Whew. Shout out to Dave's Chicken, guys. Send us some merch. Alright, guys, it's live.
Hey, if you throw up. My bad.
Oh, okay. Where's the dude, should we bring the trash can?
How we chilling, bro? We chilling. I should have got a knife on it. Oh. Hey, what's up, guys? So this is the Carolina Reaper challenge. It's not really a challenge at Dave's Hot Chicken, but you had to sign like a little waiver. So we're gonna try a piece, and you have to sign a waiver. I'm not gonna read it to you. I'll just put it down in the description below. Anyways, guys, the challenge is we're gonna try it, and the first one to take a sip of anything to drink loses. So we're not gonna eat the whole thing, cause
It's gonna be Michael.
so
It's gonna be me, bro. I'm saying it right now, dude.
winner gets a nice crisp dollar. Well, it's not crisp, but winner gets $1, guys.
That's it.
$1 on the line. Hey, we gotta start small.
I bet you $100.
I have change in my car.
To finish the whole thing? All right, guys.
No sauce. No sauce.
So here's what we got cooking, guys. Hopefully that didn't unfocus it.
Wait, this is Jose's, right?
No, I just eat it.
We're gonna like rip it up.
Should we bring the trash can?
What side piece you want?
Wait, should we bring the trash can?
I don't even want to try it.
Are you sure?
I'm
Okay.
Whew.
scared.
Pick your piece. Let's do it. I'm not gonna eat it with sauce because. So in front of us, I have chocolate milk. Nate has. What do you have?
I have just regular
And
whole
then
milk.
Jose has milk too.
Gosh.
All right, boys.
I'm up.
We gotta do that at the same time. I don't want to be left hanging, bro.
All right, cheers, guys. Cheers.
Dude, I'm being.
To you, YouTube. To you.
Here
3,
we go.
2, 1.
Well, hell yeah, dude.
God damn.
Dude, my eyes burn already.
Oh, my tongue. Ah.
Oh my God.
I don't know if I want to swallow the rest of it.
I swallowed it, dude. You gotta swallow it, Nate.
Ah! 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 My tongue's burning. Ah!
Drink, Nate, drink.
I'm not drinking. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Drink, Nate.
Ah! 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 Oh my God.
I'm done.
I took a big bite, bro. Ah! 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 I win! Yeah, I gotta go.
I'm freaking dying.
Oh my god, I'm dying. Oh fuck.
I'm never doing this challenge again.
Oh my god. It's getting worse. It's getting worse.
I'm just laughing. I'm laughing because. Oh, Sam. No. I'm sorry, Jose.
I'm good now.
Yeah.
I'm good now. But if you keep the milk in your mouth, it's much better.
I hate drinking this much milk, dude.
They'll switch the milk in your mouth. Don't drink it.
I haven't come throwing this away.
Never again, dude. Dude, dude, you're like
SM Mike 0. Dave's hot chicken 1.
bro, I'm dying. Might have to take me to the hospital.
Dude, it's just funny because Jose all day he's all I was talking mad crap saying, oh yeah, I'm gonna eat the whole chicken. And Jose's like, nah, I'm good. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing.
Thank God I showered. I don't know. That didn't make any sense, but
Dude.
You got milk on your face. Look at his face.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, this hit you like a truck. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.
ow.
It comes out of nowhere. Like you're good. You
I gotta go wash my mouth.
You take a bite. You're like, yeah, I'm good.
Take a
And like,
shot. Fire.
you can't zoom.
I know I'll lose.
No, because we signed a waiver.
Yeah.
Plus, why would you? It's you did it to yourself.
Dude, whoever enjoys that is a serial killer. Mike's still dying over there.
Face the camera towards him.
Or should I get my camera?
Whatever.
I haven't zoomed in on him.
Stupidest thing I've ever done in my life right here, guys.
We're dying, bro.
You don't drink the milk, dude. You just you put the milk inside your mouth, so you let it sit, then you're good. Don't drink it. Just let it sit.
Did that help?
Uh-huh. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Till the next one. That's my mic. All right, guys. Till the next one. Remember, like, subscribe, follow. Let us know what you guys want to see next.
Blaze and Wing Challenge. I'm just kidding.
Ooh. And Nate, wait, who won? You, Nate?
Yeah.
Woo woo! Congratulations.
I thought it was a win, but
Crispy dollar.
They
Flapping.
won, and again, congratulations to our winner, our $50 subscriber winner. Our goal is to get 1,000 subscribers so we can give out maybe $100, $150. We'll see how far we get. But thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, guys. We're out.
Peace.
What is up, YouTube? So today, as promised, I'm going to be giving away that $50 gift card. So as you can see, your names are all up on the board right here who entered this raffle. Again, guys, thank you guys for liking and subscribing and tuning into this channel. So I'm just going to shuffle it up a bit. I don't know if you can see. I'm hitting shuffle so the names can get shuffled up. All right, guys. Good luck to everybody who put in. And let's see who wins this thing. Let's go, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Congratulations to Miguel D. All right, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. And the winner is Miguel D. 8822. You won this gift card. Congratulations, my friend. And all you got to do is hit me up on Instagram. It's SMMike with 2 E's. And just hit me up on Instagram. Give me your email, and we'll send this out to you guys. Thank you.